for sale 1969 Chevy pickup. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, the 69 C10 short bed finished in dark purple, and the dark purple's got just a little bit of purple in there. It looks really nice. All black trim. It's got a 350 turbo 350 trans, power steering, power brakes with front disc, 12-bolt rear. And as always, I'm going to walk around and point out flaws that I see, and we'll drive it. So here we go. I like the black bumper on the front. It kind of goes nice with the black trim, shaved off on the edge. So the headlight bezels are black, the grill's black, logo's black, Chevrolet's black. A couple little bubbles on the paint right there, and I know there's a little mark, another mark, and a couple little stone chips on that, which is, you know, common. Fitment of the hood is nice. I know there's a little chip right there, and I'm going to go ahead and open the engine compartment. All the black is nice in here. Like I said, you have 350. It has headers, Edelbrock carb, and intake. The headers go in the dual exhaust. They sound pretty nice. You see the power brake booster there for the power front disc brakes, and the power steering pump down there. Frame solid. You can see that on both sides. And they definitely took the car apart to paint it because the firewall's painted, which sometimes I see them when they repaint trucks original colors, they leave the original firewall on it. Just a thought. And the underhood's nice, pretty nice condition as well. So we'll start on the driver's side. Mastercraft, they're 15-inch. Let's see right here. A little tiny, like, pencil tip. You barely see it. I know there's a couple touch-ups there on the door jamb line. I see another one down there and one in the corner of the door. Windshield's nice. The molding around the windshield is nice. This molding is nice. And there's another touch-up right there, another touch-up right there, a couple more, something right there, and two little touch-ups up there. The rail is nice though, and the top of the truck is nice. Getting a little lower here, and a couple more little baby stone chips on that, and another couple little guys right there. The wind is blowing, but the door panel paint is painted nice. The door panels are new with new black handles on it on both sides. Really nice bench seat. Put a tilt column in it, and let me go through this before the wind closes the door. Under door is nice. You see a little bit of surface, but that's nothing at all. If you can see that, that's nothing. Nicely painted dash, and the top of the cab is nicely painted as well. Sometimes they skimp out on that, and this they did not skimp. Carpet's nice. It looks to be pretty much new. Dash pad looks new. It's got a different radio in it that works. Smaller steering wheel. And I know they added a couple of their gauges down there. And the truck's pretty much turnkey. It's been sitting here for a little while. There you go. I was trying to do this before. I made a mistake on it.
To make a list of what you would like for your son to do.
There we go. I was putzing around with it and I got it to work.
The decisions he makes between age 11 and 16 will greatly impact.
Let's keep going. Back is nice, and it has an original bed in it, which is nice to see. It's not like a new bed, new sheet metal. This is the original bed. I mean, you can see a little bit of the couple of dings on the back there. And you see the original paint coming through, like a greenish color. You know, there's like a gash right there so that you see, and a couple other little marks. I still got the radio going.
The idea came from playing Legos many years ago.
There you go, whatever. A little mark right there and a little chip. The touch up right there. A couple little scratches right here. Maybe they lowered it down onto something. But the bed functions properly like it's supposed to. I also have a rubber mat that goes over it in case you didn't want to ding up that. I took it out so that you could see the bed. But I'm going to put it back in after this is done. A couple more marks. They definitely lowered it onto something. Got two little marks right there. A tiny little guy and another very small little guy. There, another small little guy and a little touch up right on that line. Little guy right there. Will be up for sale later today on the website nextgenclassiccars.com. A little tiny crack in the pad. And eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to check it out. '69 C10 short bed. 350 trans. A little tiny chip right there. Power steering, power brakes with front disc. A couple chips on that line. A couple more right there. I see a bigger chip that's been touched up right there. Another little touch up, another little touch up, another little chip, a couple more touch ups. It's on this line. So, I'm going to fire it up here in just a second.